Hi, my name is Pippin and I have two roles here at REACH as an infant development consultant working with families and children 0 to 3 years of age, and I'm also a behavior consultant in the Delta Connects program. My role here with the parent peer group is a facilitator to create an environment and a support group for parents and caregivers of children with complex needs. So when you come to our parent peer support group, we are creating an environment either in person or online that is safe, judgment-free, and it is confidential. Research shows that when you come together as a group, it is less isolating and you feel better supported and are able to parent in a more supportive and positive way with your children. It can be very isolating at times to parent children, especially if they have extra support needs or challenging behaviors. This will be a time for us to share the highs and lows of life. I am looking forward to meeting all of you and helping you have the opportunity to receive the benefits from this group that have helped so many of our families. It is open to anyone in the Lower Mainland, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email. Thank you.